crafty friend, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make DIY treat bags using items that you may already have.
It's Christmas time, decorate your life. Joy is shining bright, crafters gather side by side. Through the peaceful night, hearts are warm and hands are busy. Every piece is made with cheer. It's Christmas at Decorate Your Life.
If you've been following my videos, you already know that several videos ago, I left off with these handmade number tags from a past project that I wound up taking apart. Well, I finally found a purpose for those numerical tags, and it's a good one. But before we put these tags to good use, we're adding dimension to our tags with some pieces of fun foam that I've previously trimmed. We're going to use these dimensional number tags to place on top of 13. Yes, 13. Treat bags that I'll be giving away to a group of teenage girls who are coming over to my home tonight. So we gotta work fast. We're gonna be making some bag toppers in a minute, but first we're gonna use a simple edge punch to make some embellishments for our DIY treat bags. Our next step will be to die cut 13 bag toppers for our DIY treat bags. You can use the bag topper dies that you have on hand. I'm using my very own toppers that I designed for Craft Stash. As you can see, I've taken the liberty to get started on a few, and I'm keeping my process as simple as I can make it. First, we adhere the paper lace embellishment to the bottom of the front of the bag topper. Second, we adhere the number tag. And third, we adhere any winter holiday theme sticker embellishments from our stash. I miscounted the number of tags that I actually have. I don't have a number 13 tag for the 13th girl, so I'm going to make the 13th treat bag extra special. The 13th bag is going to have this beautiful handmade bow that'll be accentuated with flourished die cuts from my stash. Now that we have crafted all of our bag toppers, it's time to put our DIY Christmas treat bags together. I hope that you've enjoyed this DIY treat bag tutorial from our little corner of YouTube. My Christmas wish for you is that you get to enjoy this holiday season with those you hold dear. My prayer for you is that the new year brings you good health, lots of love, peace, and happiness. If you're new to the channel and enjoy easy DIY crafts, I hope that you subscribe to Decorate Your Life and click on that bell notification. This way, you won't miss out on new videos, products, and perhaps a giveaway or two. Thank you so very much for watching my videos and sharing your valuable time with me. I'm signing out for 2025. God bless each and every one of you. Until next time.